Well, last year, Americans spent $11 billion on tax preparation services. While 70% of Americans actually qualify to file their taxes for free, less than 2% actually take advantage of it. So CBS MoneyWatch reporter Irina Ivanova offers tips on how to file your taxes for free this year.
So there's three main ways that people can file their taxes for free. There's the Free File program, there's something called Free File Fillable forms, and then there's the Vita Program, which is a way to get your taxes done in person. So Free File is a program that's run by private tax companies like H&R Block, Intuit, and many others in partnership with the IRS. So the way to figure out if you can use a Free File program is to go to irs.gov/freefile and use the lookup tool. It's a tool that asks you a few questions like how much money you make, where you live, if you're in the military, and it will then give you a product that you can use. And if you click on that link through the IRS site, it will send you to the free version of that product. If you make more than $69,000, you can still do your taxes for free through something called Free File Fillable forms. This is also on the IRS website at the same address, irs.gov/freefile. One thing to know about Free File Fillable forms is that it's not tax software. You can't make an account and save your information from year to year, for example. It really is the experience of filling out a form, but instead of doing it on paper, you're doing it online. So it is important to do your calculations independently, already know which forms you're going to have to fill out, and then once you do it and you file, to save a copy, print out a copy for yourself. A lot of people just really want to talk to a human being when they file their taxes. And there are services that you don't have to pay for that will let you do that. For people who make $56,000 or less, the IRS runs something called Vita, which stands for Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. And it is a lot of tax clinics throughout the country, run in community centers, in libraries, at your local high school, where they will train a whole bunch of volunteers to help people with their taxes. They'll tell them what forms to fill out, what to look for, what deductions to use. If you see an ad for a free tax prep service, it's a good idea to check if that is run through the Vita program, because that will tell you that that person has been trained and vetted by the IRS to help you with your taxes. There is another program that the IRS runs called TCE, Tax Counseling for the Elderly, which is for anybody who's over 60, regardless of how much money they make. And again, it's a free volunteer-run in-person service. It's geared toward questions that older folks may be having, such as questions about retirement, about pensions. And so that can also be looked up on the IRS website. And a lot of these are run in partnership with the AARP and AARP centers.